Good morning students. We continue the exercise 1.3. Already we start the exercise is nothing but solve the following equation by inverse method. So inverse method I use பண்ணி ஒரு linear system நம்ம எப்படி சால்வ் பண்றோம் அப்படிங்கறத தான் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். The formula is already studied. The formula is x is equal to a inverse into b. X is equal to a inverse into b. Already we know that how to find a inverse. A inverse is the formula is 1 by modulus of a into RGA. A inverse is equal to 1 by modulus of a into RGA. So same procedure we have to follow here. Already we complete the exercise question number 1, 2, 3. Now we move to the question number 4. You can just see your book. The question is given like a statement. So first we need to form a equation. Already we studied question number 3. If they have to given a question is in the form of a statement, we need to make the equation. Then only we can solve the system by a inversion method. Okay. So they have to given some instruction to your book. 4 men and 4 women can finish a piece of work jointly in 3 days, while 2 men and 5 women can finish the same work jointly in 4 days. So men and women ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து அந்த ஒர்க்கை எத்தனை நாள்ல முடிக்கிறாங்க அப்படிங்கறத கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Then they asking the question is find the time taken by one man alone and that of the one woman alone to finish the same work by using matrix inversion method. So 4 men 4 women join பண்ணி அந்த ஒர்க்கை 3 நாள்ல முடிக்கிறாங்க. இப்போ இதே இத ஒரு men மட்டும் ஒரு man மட்டும் அல்லது ஒரு woman மட்டும் அவங்கள மட்டும் நம்ம அனுப்புனோம்னா அவங்க எத்தனை நாள்ல அந்த ஒர்க்கை முடிப்பாங்க அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம இன்வர்ஷன் மெத்தடை யூஸ் பண்ணி சால்வ் பண்ண போறோம். Very simple. First one you have to take let one man alone be x days. We don't know the value. ஒருத்தர மட்டும் நம்ம அனுப்புனோம்னா அவர் அந்த வேலையை எத்தனை நாள்ல முடிப்பாருங்கிறது நமக்கு தெரியாது. So we decided that is a x days. Also one woman alone be in a y days. So they have to jointly work. So that you have to write the equation is right in that form of 4 by x plus 4 by y. ரெண்டு பேரும் ஜாயின் பண்ணி வர்க் பண்றாங்க. அதனால so we have to form the equation is like that. This is from your given data. 4 by x plus 4 by y is equal to 1 by 3. Then a second statement they have to given 2 men and 5 women jointly work. So 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4. So you can see that these two equation, this is in the form of so என்ன ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கு divided form. So நம்மனால இப்ப என்ன பண்ண முடியாதுமா ஈக்குவேஷன் இன்வர்ஷன் மெத்தட்ல சால்வ் பண்றது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம். fraction formல இருக்கு. So fraction formல இருக்கும்போது நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியாது ஈக்குவேஷன் சால்வ் பண்றது கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். So you have to change in that normal form. You just take that 1 by x is equal to s, 1 by y is equal to t. So you have to just substitute on here. 1 by x is equal to s. So here is a value is a 4 by x. So you have to write 4s. Here is a value is a 4 by y. So you have to change into 4t. And this value is a 2 by x. So 1 by x is equal to s means and 2 by x is equal to 2s, 5 by y. Then it goes to 5t is equal to 1 by 2. Now making a equation is making a matrix form is 4 4 2 5 st 1 by 3 1 by 2. This is in the form of a by x is equal to b, x is equal to a inverse into b. So to find a inverse formula is 1 by modulus of a into RGA. First step we have to follow the modulus of a that the value is 1 by 2. RGA. In a 2x2 matrix RGA, already we studied that we need to interchange these two places and we need to sign change. These two elements should be a sign change. So here you have to write adjoint 5 minus 4 minus 2 4. Then A inverse is equal to 1 by 12. Then a matrix. Then now into x is equal to A inverse into b. This is the value of b. 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. You have to just write down here. Then making a multiplication, row and column multiplication, matrix multiplication, you have to just take a row and multiply with this column. So you get the answer will be 5 by 3 minus 1. Then making, here this value is a minus 2. So making a row and this column will be, your answer will be 2 minus 2 by 3 plus 1. The final answer will be 1 by 12, 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. Now multiply 1 by 12 inside the bracket, inside the matrix, then you get the answer will be 2 by 3 into 1 by 12, 1 by 3 into 1 by 12. Simplify, you get the answer only, not a xy, this is a s and t only. S value is a 1 by 18, t value is a 1 by 30. So now we decided s is equal to 1 by x. Then x value should be a 18, y value should be a 36. Now we get the answer will be time taken one man alone is 18 days. அந்த வேலையை ஒரே ஒரு மேனை மட்டும் நம்ம அனுப்பணும்னா எத்தனை நாள் முடிப்பாங்க? 18 days. and one woman அனுப்பணும் அப்படின்னா அவங்க எத்தனை நாள் முடிப்பாங்க? then taking that is the 36 days. ஓகேவா? சோ இது வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவங்க ஜாயிண்டா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, ரெண்டு பேர் சேர்ந்து வேலை பார்த்தத தனித்தனியா வேலை பார்த்தாங்கன்னா எத்தனை நாள் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும் அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம மேட்ரிக்ஸ் இன்வெர்ஷன் மெத்தட் மூலமா கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். Then same procedure we need to follow. The question number 5 also they have given a statement. So whenever they have given a statement questions, we need to make a equation. That's the first step we need to follow. They have given a statement. We need to read the question and understand the question carefully. After that, we making a equation. So here they have given something. The prices of 3 commodities. So they have given commodities. They have given A and B, C. So consider A, B, and C are the commodities. After that, they have given also the price of the commodities. That is, price of A is X, price of B is Y, and price of C is Z. Now you just read the question. The first one, a person, A purchased 4 units. Purchased 4 units of B and sells 2 units of A and 5 units of C. Person Q purchased 2 units of that. You just read the question carefully and then making an equation is like that: 2x minus 4y plus 5z. 2x minus 4y plus 5z. So purchase அப்படிங்கிறது எதுல வரணும்னா நெகட்டிவ்ல வரும். Purchase அப்படிங்கிறது நெகட்டிவ்ல வரணும். செல் பண்றது எதுல எழுதணும்? பாசிட்டிவ்ல எழுதணும். செல் பண்ணக்கூடியது எதுல எழுதணும்? பாசிட்டிவ். and purchase எதுல இருக்கணும்? மைனஸ். Then after that, making an equation is like that: 3x plus y minus 2z, and then minus x plus 3y plus z. So here the value I have to write 15,000, 1,000, 4,000. Also given in your question that the last line P, Q, R earn 15,000 and 1,000 and 4,000. நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா இந்த A, B, C ஓட per unit ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன, அமௌண்ட் என்னங்கறத நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் using matrix inversion method. So making a matrix, this one is a A and X and B. A, X and B. X is equal to formula A inverse into B. To find A inverse. A inverse find பண்ணனும். Now it is a 3x3 matrix. Okay. First step we need to find modulus of A. Determinant of A you need to find. The determinant of value is 68. So are not equal to 0. Then we decided that is a inverse is exists. Or otherwise A inverse is not exists. After that, the next step we need to find cofactors of A. We need to find cofactors of A because A inverse formula என்ன 1 by modulus of A into RGA. 3 cross 3 ல நம்ம ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? RGA கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது. First step நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? Cofactors of A. We need to find cofactors of A. இந்த cofactors of A என்ன பண்ணனும்? Already we know the definition for RGA. RGA is a transpose of cofactors. Transpose of cofactors. Cofactors are transpose பண்ணனும்னா அதான் என்னது? RGA. That is you have to write A inverse is equal to 1 by modulus of A into RGA. Now the formula for X is equal to A inverse into B. So making a multiplication, A inverse, that's the answer, then multiply with B. This is a B. 15,000, 1,000, 4,000 is a B. Making multiplication, so very simple, you have to multiply 15 into 7. You know that 105, 1, 2, 3, put the 3 zeros. Okay. So numbers பெருசா இருக்கலாம் பார்க்கனா ரொம்ப ஈஸியா மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் முடிச்சிடலாம். சிம்பிளிஃபிகேஷன் பண்ணோம் அப்படினா your final answer will be 1,68,000. 1 by 68, 1,36,000, 68,000, 2,04,000. So you simplify with 68, you get the answer will be 2,000, 1,000 and 3,000. The cost of the unit பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா x ஓட வேல்யூ 2,000, y ஓட வேல்யூ 1,000 and z ஓட வேல்யூ 3,000. Okay, others. So that we complete the exercise 1.3. After that, we move to the next topic, that is the Cramer's rule. Same procedure we need to solve by a matrix by Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணி சால்வ் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல பார்க்கலாம். Thank you.